Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdi from class C. I will explain about relative clause sentences. First example, relative clauses. The book I read last week was amazing. This sentence is confusing the relative clauses is I read last. I read last is an explanation of the book, and if it omitted, then the reading is really extraordinary book. So 3 must be relative clauses sentence to clarify a sentence. Next, the second example of relative clause is that the city where I grew up was very beautiful. This sentence contains a relative clause, namely where I grew up. I grew up is an explanation of the city to make the sentence clearer. Continued with the third example of relative clause sentence, namely books written by famous authors that are good to read. This sentence contains a relative clause which is written by famous author. This is an explanation of a good books to read the order to make this sentence more interesting. The fourth is that the film I watched was very funny. As in very few sentences that contain relative clauses words, namely the one I watched last week, the word is complement to make the sentence interesting. The last example is the teacher who told me English was very efficient. This is an example of this sentence including a defining clause that does not have comma punctuation in the sentence, and the sentence includes the word that teaches me English. This word is to give a picture of the nature of the teacher. However, these 5 examples of relative clauses will for it easier for you to understand the concept of relative clause sentences, and see you soon.